Lorex 4K Ultra HD Active Deterrent Security Camera. Installation Service, Tampa, unmatched clarity and protection. If you're looking for the highest quality in home or business security, the Lorex 4K Ultra HD Active Deterrent Security Camera is one of the best options on the market. Known for its 4K resolution, color night vision, and motion-activated LED deterrence light, this camera provides crystal-clear video and advanced deterrence features that can stop threats before they happen. However, installing this advanced system to maximize its potential requires professional expertise. At SecureView Security Cameras Tampa, we specialize in professional Lorex 4K Ultra HD Active Deterrent Security Camera installation services, ensuring that your camera system is set up for maximum performance and protection. Whether you're looking to secure a home, business, or both, our expert team will handle the installation process so you can enjoy complete peace of mind knowing your property is fully protected. Why choose professional Lorex 4K Ultra HD camera installation in Tampa? The Lorex 4K Ultra HD Active Deterrence Camera offers features and performance that are unmatched in the security camera market, but proper installation is essential to ensuring those features work as intended. Here's why Tampa residents and business owners trust SecureView security cameras for their Lorex 4K camera installations. 1. Optimal camera placement for full coverage. When it comes to security cameras, placement is everything. A poorly positioned camera can leave blind spots, missing key areas of your property and reducing overall security. Our professional installers will assess your property and strategically position your Lorex 4K camera to ensure full coverage. We make sure that every critical area, including entry points, driveways, and outdoor spaces, is fully monitored, eliminating potential blind spots and increasing your property's protection. 2. Maximizing 4K video quality. The Lorex 4K Ultra HD camera delivers ultra-clear, high-definition video, but to make the most of this feature, the camera must be positioned correctly and configured for optimal lighting conditions. Our installation team ensures that your cameras are mounted at the right angles, with the correct focus and lighting settings to capture crystal-clear 4K footage both day and night. We also adjust the camera's color night vision to make sure you're getting the best possible video quality, even in low-light conditions. 3. Advanced Active Deterrence Setup. One of the standout features of the Lorex 4K Ultra HD camera is its motion-activated LED deterrence light and remote-triggered siren. These features are designed to actively deter potential threats by alerting intruders that they are being watched and recorded. However, setting up these deterrence features requires more than just plugging in the camera. Our team will configure the motion detection zones and sensitivity settings to ensure that the deterrence system is triggered only when necessary, avoiding false alarms while still providing a strong security presence. 4. Wi-Fi and network integration. The Lorex 4K camera uses your home or business's Wi-Fi network to stream video, send alerts, and store footage. However, the high-quality 4K video can strain your network if not properly configured. Our professional installers ensure that your cameras are connected to a strong, stable network, and we can help extend your Wi-Fi coverage if necessary to ensure smooth, uninterrupted video streaming. We also handle the setup of any cloud storage or network video recording, NVR systems, that you may want to use for storing footage. 5. Weatherproof installation for Tampa's climate. Tampa's weather can be unpredictable, with heavy rain, high humidity, and intense heat being common challenges for outdoor security cameras. The Lorex 4K Ultra HD camera is designed to withstand the elements, but proper installation is key to ensuring its longevity. Our team takes extra care to weatherproof your cameras, ensuring they're securely mounted and protected from the elements, so you can count on them to perform in any weather conditions. Common DIY installation mistakes you'll avoid with professional help. The Lorex 4K Ultra HD camera is an advanced security system, but many DIY installers encounter issues that can affect its performance. By choosing professional installation, you can avoid these common pitfalls. 1. Poor camera placement. DIY installers often place cameras too high, too low, or at awkward angles, resulting in blind spots or unclear footage. 1. Our experts ensure cameras are placed for full coverage and maximum clarity. 2. Weak Wi-Fi signals. Streaming 4K video requires a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection. 2. If your camera is placed too far from your router, you may experience connection issues or buffering. 2. We make sure your system has a strong connection for reliable performance. 3. Incorrect motion detection settings. Setting up motion detection and deterrence features can be tricky. 3. Incorrect settings can result in frequent false alarms, or worse, missed activity. 3. We fine-tune the settings to ensure your system works as it should. 4. Weather-related damage. Tampa's weather can cause significant wear and tear on outdoor cameras if they aren't installed properly. 4. Our weatherproofing techniques protect your cameras from rain, heat, and humidity, ensuring long-term reliability. Why choose SecureView security cameras? Tampa for your Lorex 4K installation. At SecureView Security Cameras. Tampa, we are committed to providing our customers with the highest quality security camera installation services. Here's why clients across Tampa trust us for their Lorex 4K Ultra HD camera installations. 1. Expert technicians. Our team is highly trained and experienced in installing and configuring advanced security systems like the Lorex 4K Ultra HD camera. 2. Local knowledge. We understand the unique security challenges and weather conditions in Tampa, allowing us to tailor our services to meet your specific needs. 3. Comprehensive support. We provide full support throughout the installation process and beyond, ensuring that your system continues to function smoothly over time. 4. Tailored solutions. Every property is different, and we work with you to design a security solution that provides complete coverage and peace of mind. Get your Lorex 4K Ultra HD camera professionally installed in Tampa today. Ready to upgrade your home or business security with the Lorex 4K Ultra HD Active Deterrent Security Camera? Contact SecureView Security Cameras Tampa today for a free consultation and professional installation services. Call us at 813-489-9332 or visit www.secureviewcameras.com to schedule your installation. Our expert team will handle everything from camera placement and system setup to network integration and testing, ensuring that your Lorex 4K security system delivers the best possible performance. Let us help you enjoy ultra-clear security footage and peace of mind with a professional installation you can trust.